Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back on our day with an unboxing. Recently, I showed you Crep Protect's conditioner, leather conditioner, and I wasn't impressed at all. So I didn't care to use it. But then, since I really do like my wounds, I realized that I have only treated one of the shoes. So if the production, if the conditioner has some kind of UV protection that it says it does, I don't want them to look different left and right. So I wanted to use the tube, the conditioner, the product on the other shoe as well. And it popped open in my hand. Here's some pictures. And it hasn't been laying down for long, a couple of days. Let's see, maximum a week. I would guess 3-4 days. So I contacted Crep to let them know that there is a production fail. The product is new, so I hope they will appreciate feedback on their new product. And that went really weird. So first I contacted them via their website formula, and I got a mail telling me to write to the same mail that he was, or the person was writing from. So I sent the mail again, and the person responded, said they will fix it, send the info again. So I did that again. And then they said that they wouldn't refund or do anything because I hadn't ordered from them. So I contacted Amazon where I bought it, and Amazon said that no, it's a third party, third company. We don't reimburse for that. So I contacted Crep again. Very unhappy. I posted an Instagram picture with the broken product. And then they were going to send me a new one. And I told them, I'm very unhappy with your service. So give me something extra because I will do an unboxing video of this. So give me something extra for compensation. So let's see what they have sent me. Wet wipes. So they didn't even send me a new leather conditioning tube. They only sent me their cheapest product, their cleaning wet wipes. That's it. So not even a new leather conditioner. But as I said, I will do an unboxing video. So, Crep Protect, there you go.